Welcome back. In this video, we'll cover how to add and edit posts on your website. Posts can be used for a variety of purposes, including school blogs and events or school happenings, to name but a few. Post previews can be pulled into a page using the blog module in the visual or front-end builder. You can even set a specific post category to show up within the blog module and style it in a variety of ways using options in the Design tab of the module settings. Managing posts is easy. Simply click on Posts from the dashboard and then Add New to create a new post. You may also edit or delete existing posts by hovering over a post on the list to display the options such as Edit, Trash, and Duplicate. Once you're in the post editing interface, you may notice it looks similar to the backend page editor or event editor. You can add a title, edit the URL, and even click Use the Divi Builder if you want to. However, Gradelink typically sets up a default template in the theme builder for posts, so you don't need to worry about styling it with the Divi Builder. Below the post title is the area where you would post all your main content, including text, images, and hyperlinks. The final step before publishing a post is to assign it to a post category by checking the box next to a post category in the Categories module on the left sidebar in the post editing page. You can also add a new category by clicking Add New Category, typing in the name of the category, and clicking the button to add the new category to the list. Once you've checked the box for all the categories you wish to place the post in, you may click the blue Update or Publish button to officially publish your post to the site. As previously mentioned, you may need to first set up a page with a Divi blog module on it to serve as a landing page for posts on your site. Visitors will then be able to click on the preview for a blog and access the entire post. There you have it. You're now an expert on posts. Please stay with us for the next lesson.